Agriculture. Question 1. Which of the following statements correctly defines agricultural yield? A. Quantity of a crop produced per unit of land. B. Total quantity of crop harvested under favorable and controlled conditions. C. The weight of grain or other agricultural product at some agreed standard moisture content per unit of land area harvested per crop. D. It is the yield measured in money produced per unit of land. Question 2. Which of the following statements is incorrect with respect to the system of fogponics in agriculture? A. It is a subtechnique of aeroponics where fog is used to create a constant nutrient-rich environment for plant roots. B. The plants get the oxygen from the water oxygenated by an air pump in this technique. C. The process of fogponics is monitored through artificial intelligence-induced programming. D. None of the above statement. Question 3. With reference to the Green AG, Transforming Indian Agriculture for Global Environment Benefits and the Conservation of Critical Biodiversity and Forest Landscapes project, which of the following statements is incorrect? A. The project aims to catalyze transformative change for India's agricultural sector to support achievement of national and global environmental benefits and conserve critical biodiversity and forest landscapes. B. The Ministry of Agriculture and Farmers' Welfare launched the project with collaboration with Food and Agriculture Organization and assisted by the Global Environment Facility, GEF. C. Cable Lamjao National Park of Manipur is designated as one of the conservation value landscapes under this project. D. None of the above statements is incorrect. Question 4. Recently in the news, PUSA FSF developed by Indian Agricultural Research Institute, IARI, is related to A. High-yielding variety of fodder variety for cattle that can grow in minimum water requirement. B. Mechanism for in situ management of paddy stubble for Delhi NCR region. C. The on-farm green energy refrigeration system. D. Funds for agricultural-focused startups. Question 5. Consider the following statements with reference to Rashtriya Krishi Vikas Yojana, Remunerative Approaches for Agriculture and Allied Sectors Rejuvenation, RKVY scheme. 1. It is aimed at strengthening infrastructure in agriculture and allied sectors to promote agripreneurship and agribusiness by facilitating financial aid and nurturing a system of business incubation. 2. Funds granted under the RKVY scheme are directly transferred to the beneficiary's bank account. Which of the above statements is correct? A. 1 only. B. 2 only. C. Both 1 and 2. D. Neither 1 nor 2. Question 6. Consider the following statements with reference to the Certified Jute Seeds Program. 1. The Union Ministry of Small and Medium Enterprises has launched a certified jute seed distribution plan under the Improved Cultivation and Advanced Retting Exercise for Jute ICARE program. 2. The Improved Cultivation and Advanced Retting Exercise for Jute ICARE was launched in West Bengal and Assam with an aim to double the jute farmers' income. Which of the above statements is correct? A. 1 only. B. 2 only. C. Both 1 and 2. D. Neither 1 nor 2. Question 7. Consider the following statements with reference to the National Bee Board, NBB. 1. NBB works under the aegis of the Union Ministry of Medium and Small Enterprises in collaboration with Ministry of Tribal Affairs, aims at preserving the traditional way of beekeeping and honey production in India. 2. The Union Minister of Medium and Small Enterprises is the ex officio chairman of the NBB. Which of the above statements is correct? A. 1 only. B. 2 only. C. Both 1 and 2. D. Neither 1 nor 2. Question 8. Which of the following statements is not correctly mentioned with respect to the Matri Incubation Program? A. The Pusa Krishi Incubator of ICAR Indian Agricultural Research Institute launched the Matri Incubation Program. B. It is a 6 months mentoring program promoting agri-startups with innovative ideas between India and other BRICS countries. C. Only agritech startups were selected on the basis of Startup India guidelines under this program and will be mentored by experts along with access to global markets. D. None of the above statements are incorrect. Question 9. Consider the following statements with reference to the Madhu Kranti portal. 1. Madhu Kranti portal is an initiative of the National Bee Board under the National Beekeeping and Honey Mission, NBHM, with an objective to maintain the quality of honey and also to prevent its adulteration. 2. The technical partner for development of this digital platform is Indian Bank. Which of the above statements are correctly mentioned? A. 1 only. B. 2 only. C. Both 1 and 2. D. Neither 1 nor 2. Question 10. Consider the following statements regarding Sustainable Agriculture Policy Action Agenda. 1. The Sustainable Agriculture Policy Action Agenda was among the highlight action pledges decided by the participating countries in 2018 at COP24 of UNFCCC in Katowice, Poland. 27 countries have signed this action agenda and India has opted out of joining this initiative. 3. World Bank committed to spend $25 billion in climate finance annually till 2025 through its Climate Action Plan. Which of the statements given above are correct? A. 1 only. B. 2 and 3 only. C. 3 only. D. None of the above.